Hey guys, so we're starting big projects around the house, and one of the first ones we wanted to start was in the kitchen where the dated countertops were. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to use. So is dated countertops. Okay, so after an hour of walking around aimlessly at Home Depot, we made it home with all these supplies to do our new countertops. Alright, so we taped the edges up, painter's tape, it's your roll of contractor's paper. We protect the walls here, guys. The progress shot. Oh yeah, look at that. 1 cup to there, half a cup of water to it, so it's 2 for every 1. And this is our first step. So this is your second coat and your third coat. I forgot to film us on the third coat. Alright guys, so here's another view of the countertop. This is coat 3. We're going to go ahead and sand that. I've been covering because it is a lot of dust, so make sure you cover up. This is the first coat. We're just waiting for it to dry. Show you this. You can see everything through it, so that's normal. That's okay.